LED standard screen installation tutorial. Back strip installation. First, insert the spirit level into the back strip to assist installation. Use the positioning strip to determine the spacing between the back strips. Note: the backing strip's horizontal bubble must be centered before securing with screws. Enclosure installation. Install the cabinets in sequence according to the labels on the back. First, fasten screws to upper diagonal holes of all cabinets, leaving proper gap for back strip fitting. Then align the screw and slot it into the small hole. The same applies to the other layer boxes. Then tighten the screws at the joints. All seams must be aligned to ensure the modules are installed without unevenness. Screws on the sides must also be tightened. Network cable and power cable connection. Route the network cables in a U-shape to connect the ports on the player box. Power cables have no fixed start or end point. Just connect the corresponding cables of each cabinet. Power can be connected from the most convenient start or end cabinet. 4. Module installation. Install with the arrow pointing upward. Connect the power and signal cables, then align magnetically. Cables must be connected in the correct upper, middle, and lower positions. Do not mix them up. Repeat for the other modules. Note: grip the plug when unplugging modules.